In a surprising turn of events, Dr. Mushayavanhu, who had earlier expressed skepticism about the success of the ZiG, has now confidently affirmed his belief in the currency's potential. Speaking at a business meeting, the governor passionately defended the ZiG, calling it a symbol of Zimbabwe's autonomy in fiscal matters. He said, "The ZiG is a product of Zimbabwean intellect and initiative. It reflects our autonomy in financial matters, distinct from foreign influences. This currency was not imposed on us. It was carefully considered and is backed by substantial economic reserves, including gold and cash." The governor went on to reveal that the ZiG is supported by $285 million in reserves, including 2.5 tons of gold and $100 million in cash reserves. Furthermore, the country currently has about ZiG $1 billion in circulation, approximately equivalent to $80 million, offering a robust foundation for the currency. Looking ahead, Dr. Mushayavanhu has outlined several plans aimed at strengthening the ZiG. These include making it mandatory to pay 50% of taxes in ZiG by June to increase its demand, and cracking down on illegal market activities that undermine the currency. In his closing remarks, Dr. Mushayavanhu reiterated his commitment to the ZiG, predicting that by 2028, 80% of transactions within Zimbabwe's economy would be conducted in ZiG. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, he stated, will continue its efforts to educate the populace and maintain open lines of communication to foster confidence in the ZiG. In summary, despite his earlier skepticism, Dr. Mushayavanhu has demonstrated a firm belief in the potential success of the ZiG. His optimism, coupled with concrete plans to strengthen the currency, sets a positive tone for the future of Zimbabwe's new currency. It's clear that the governor of the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe is looking forward to a future where the ZiG plays a significant role in the country's economic independence and strength.